Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Mohammed Saif, a former Erasmus MUNDUS scholarship holder. So I have studied at 4 different European countries on this prestigious scholarship. Currently, I am a PhD student working on one of the European project to recover lithium from seawater. So this is the first part of Erasmus Mundus scholarship hunting series. So in this part, I'm going to explain the main aspects of this wonderful scholarship. So let's get started. It is a fully funded, integrated international master's degree program which gives you an opportunity to study at 3 or more different European universities depending on the programs which you are going to select. So, under this program, you will not only study from best educational institutions of the Europe, but also you will have the opportunity to experience different European cultures, languages, and food. So, after the successful completion of your master's degree, you will receive a joint master's degree from each university of the program where you studied in different semesters of your master's program. There are 149 different programs which are being offered for the year 2022 on Erasmus Mundus catalog. I'm giving the link of Erasmus Mundus catalog in the description of this video. Just click and go to the catalog and select the program according to your choice. If I talk about the number of scholarship in each program, they varies from 15 to 30 depending on the funding for each program. Another aspect that I want to highlight here is that one person can apply maximum 3 programs at a time, not more. So the application deadlines varies from program to program. Here I would recommend you just explore the catalog and mark the deadlines of different programs which you are interested. So this is a very interesting question. So if you are lucky enough to win this prestigious scholarship, you will receive 1000 euros per month as a stipend, from which you have to manage your living expenditure and accommodation. Apart from that, your university tuition fees and all other expenditure to university will be funded by Erasmus. Other than that, you will have full health insurance and life insurance, and you will receive around 3000 to 4000 euros per year as a relocation fund. So this is wonderful. So students from all over the world having bachelor's degree can apply for this wonderful scholarship. If you are an undergraduate student and you are in your last semester and you have a hope that you will receive your degree until July and August 2022, you can also apply. The beauty of this scholarship is that there is no age limit. If you are in 30s and 50s, even you can apply for this scholarship. And another thing, like the other scholarship like DART, they require compulsory work experience. But here, to apply for Erasmus, you don't have to have a work experience certificate. But if you have a work experience, that will be a plus point. The documents required to apply for this scholarship varies from program to program, but the typical one that you must have, number one is motivation letter, number two, 2 or 3 recommendation letter from your professor and from your boss where you are being working, and you will need English proficiency certificate like IELTS. And the minimum requirement for IELTS for most of the program is 6.5, but I will explain in detail in coming videos how you can prepare for IELTS. Apart from that, you will have your attested educational certificates like bachelor's degree and transcript. And sometimes some programs ask for a residence proof that you can have from your town municipal authorities very easily. So these are the some documents that you have to prepare to apply for this scholarship. That's all for the part 1. In upcoming video, I'm going to show you how you can search different Erasmus program from Erasmus Mundus website according to your interest. So for upcoming videos, stay tuned, take care, good luck for your Erasmus journey. Bye bye.